Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling. So let's choose a frame. Let's choose iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's say we are designing app like Instagram, and in that app we have stories. Okay, let's select them all and let's add stroke. Stroke is gonna be white, and let's make it up to like 3. Okay, now right click on it, go to plugins, and I already told you how to add plugins in Figma. So I think we added plugin called photos, so click on it. Okay, so from here you can choose different options like animal, people, architecture, interior, city, and all that. But currently we are going to add currently we are going to choose random. Let's say there will be a profile picture of people, so I'm going to choose people, and it is automatically gonna detect those circle and count them all, and gonna add all these images in this circle. You can see like this. So let's close this one. Okay, so image is added. Now let's group them. So right click on it and make it group. You can also use Ctrl G to group them. You can right click on it and you can choose this group selection. Okay, all stories are grouped now. So right click on it again and choose frame selection, and now just drag it on the iPhone 13 frame like this. Sometimes it could be difficult to add the stories inside this frame, so I finally added it after a long struggle. So the stories is added in iPhone 13 Pro Max. So now click on the clip content. Now we selected clip contents. Let's resize this according to this frame. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's create a field. Okay, I'm gonna use some random dimension for it. So because it is only for demonstration purpose, so that's why I'm going to use this resolution. Okay, I think I selected 6. So select them all, right click on it, go to plugins, click on photos, and in photos you can see we have option called random. Click on it and choose random. So if you want to add manually, you can use option called place image, and you can add images from your local files. Okay, now all the images are added in this field section. Now close this photos. Now right click on it, make a group. You can also use shortcut called Ctrl G. So this thing is group now, and again right click on it and choose frame selection. Okay, so after frame selection, drag this field into our iPhone 13 frame like this. Okay, now click on the clip content. Okay, let's adjust this field section like this. Now go to prototype, and you can see the field section is selected, and currently it is no scrolling. Let's choose vertical scrolling, and for stories choose horizontal scrolling, and let's make this frame a darker, because nowadays the dark mode is quite famous, and I also like to use dark mode. So let's present this one. So you can see the app looks like this. So I think I have some internet issue over here, that's why image is not loading. So if I drag my mouse on the left side, you can see the scrolling is happening over on this smartphone, and also on this field section the scrolling is kind of smooth. If you scroll, you can see looks smooth like this. So that's how you can add vertical scrolling and horizontal scrolling in your app or web page. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.